Mid-County Plumbing.
Now to new info from Power City. Tomorrow, attorneys for TPC will be back in federal court in downtown Beaumont. They're trying to finalize their plea deal and close the books on the 2019 Port Neches explosion. But attorneys who represent thousands of the victims are fighting the agreement. Today, for the first time, some of the victims got to tell their stories in court. 12 News reporter Ebony Coleman was there. And Ebony, of course, this is in federal court, so cameras are not allowed inside.
That's right, but it was a packed house inside Judge Michael Troncalli's courtroom. There were TPC representatives, lawyers from the U.S. Attorney's Office, and multiple lawyers who represent the victims. One of the victims shared emotional testimony on the witness stand.
You heard Mr. Perez's testimony of the unfortunate the passing of his daughter, the very sad passing of his immunocompromised daughter, but also his property damage.
Mark Sparks, an attorney with the Ferguson law firm, represents thousands of victims from the 2019 TPC explosion.
It's very disheartening to know that the victims were left to fend for themselves.
During the first day of the sentencing hearing inside the Jack Brooks Federal Courthouse, Judge Troncalli called the case unusual. Sparks agrees.
The U.S. Attorney's Office, the government in this instance that's prosecuting a criminal, should stand hand in hand with the victims and say, we're here to help you. And so when we put our witnesses on the stand, be it a victim or an expert, it's weird for the government to attack a victim or a victim's witness.
Sparks says the U.S. Attorney's Office essentially forgot the victims.
The government signed a secret agreement with TPC that forbids them from asking the court at this juncture for more restitution.
Sparks says the plea agreement allows almost 6,000 victims to collect $32.5 million from the TPC bankruptcy restitution, but he says the actual damages total almost $600 million.
If the government has its way at this point, and if TPC has its way at this point, you're going to get less than 5 cents on the dollar.
Sparks hopes Judge Troncalli will intervene and find a way to get more money for the victims.
TPC's out of bankruptcy. Pay back the people whose lives you injured and damaged, and pay back the fortunate souls like the Perez's who lost a child.
The hearing will continue at 9 a.m. and I'll be there as more witnesses take the stand. Ryan Gertz is a defense attorney representing TPC. He says they cannot comment until after proceedings are complete. Ebony Coleman, 12 News.
All right, Ebony, we'll be following it every step of the way for you.